Introducing the 2020 Tesla Model 3. With less than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This playful Model 3 means business when it comes to safety and efficiency. An impressive array of standard driver assist features have helped this strikingly innovative EV sedan earn top safety scores. And there's no fooling around when it comes to fast acceleration, precise handling, multiple charging options, available all-wheel drive, and the super high-tech interior. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, navigation system, lane keeping assist, heated mirrors, backup camera, power passenger seat, wood grain interior trim, electronic stability control, Wi-Fi hotspot, aluminum wheels. Enthusiast-worthy performance meets future-focused efficiency in this captivating Model 3. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.